Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to insert a picture into a cover page in Microsoft Word in a clean, professional and visually appealing way. A well-designed cover page makes a strong first impression. Whether you are creating school assignments, project report, days, business proposal, resume or official document, many users struggle with image alignment, text overlap, or pictures moving out of place on a cover page. This step-by-step tutorial or guide will help you insert and position image perfectly without breaking your layout. So let's get started. You can see here a document. Now I am insert a cover page to this page. Go to the insert menu and click this cover page option. You can choose any cover page to this drop down menu. Now I am select those cover page. We can see here the cover page and here some layout. Now I am select this document title. Now I am write my title. Now I want to add the image. Click this picture option, then click this device. You can add picture on your PC. Now I am resize the picture, then click this picture, go to the picture format menu, click the wrap text and choose in front of text, then resize the picture. Now we can see we add picture to cover page very easily. Otherwise you can add another cover page. Go to the last and click cover page option. Now I am select this cover page, then click the picture option and choose this device. Now I am insert the picture, then click in front of text, then resize the picture. Now I am set the picture on the page. We can see we insert picture into cover page very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.